even though he had a room that had a desk, he always preferred writing in the kitchen. And if he had a story that the deadline was the next day, 1 o'clock in the morning he was writing it. He was absolutely a deadline writer. And he had the old Yiddish typewriter. You have that same typewriter downstairs. And the first time I saw that typewriter down there, I said, I know that typewriter. It was at my kitchen table. He had that Yiddish typewriter. And even though he wrote on a typewriter forever, he still used those 2 fingers. That's how he typed quickly, but those 2 fingers. And he wrote at the last minute. And I remember sometimes at 4 in the afternoon, he would say, I have no idea what I'm writing about. And then an idea would come to him at 10 o'clock at night, and there he was writing that article.